Okay, give me a second. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It should be, right? Alright, mic's not too loud, correct? I can see myself on Twitch. Okay. Let's give me some time for people to know. And let's see if we get somebody to join. Let me start off with the setting up that. I should also pop that out. Here, that way you guys know what I'm looking at. Burp. Burp. Alright, cool. Now I have you guys in chat. I can put you here. Oh, I'm looking at the recording. What the frick, Microsoft Edge? No, what the frick? Go away, this is not the way I wanted to start it. Alright. Alright, you know what, I don't really need to pop it out, do I? Oh no, I do, never mind. Okay. Start a new project. Console application 1. What the heck? Can you think? Think like a programmer. With Twitch. With Twitch. Oh, come on. Alrighty then. I'm setting up a project to get started and can't wait to do this. We're going to be doing console. No big deal. We're not doing no windows. Get rid of that. Just an empty. And let's get started. Well, once this finished. Okay. There we go. Oh wow. Is it really taking forever? It's just an empty project. Come on, Visual Studio. I'm not that bad. Thank you. Thank you. Let's give it maybe a few more moments here. Alright. So, man, I keep looking over, thinking like the chat is over there. I'm just gonna call it source, really. And then, I guess I can save the exercises in a header file, please. Finished exercise, or puzzles, really. Puzzles solved. Puzzles complete. And we'll put that in there. Okay, and include puzzles. What's going on? Oh, duh. Puzzles. It's not built in. Need to include standard IO or IO stream. And let's get started. Int main that and I guess I'm gonna try out doing the first exercise. Well, let's see how that goes. Okay. So first exercise, we're gonna make a snippet so that way you guys can see it. Snipping. It works. Let me get a better snip. Here we go. Alright. I don't know how that's gonna work. No? Alright. Okay. How about this? Oh, it looks like I need to charge my computer. Better do that before it dies. Okay, that was stupid of me. Alright, give me a second. I'll just leave that there. Where's my charger? Where's my charger? Alright, I'm gonna get my charger. Give me a second. Or more. Alright, I'm back. Gotta charge the computer now. Fortunately, the outlet is right there, so I don't have to go that far. Okay, dokie. Alright, let's get started. So, the objective here is to, well, I guess I'm going to play by myself. Alright, I guess this is, I'm going to play by myself here. I gotta use 2 output statements, one that outputs the hash mark and one that outputs the end of the line, or a program that produces the following shape. Okay, so I had to do that. And there are 8, 6, 4, 2. This is probably where the part is like, it's not good that I'm doing this by myself. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, there we go. Just gonna start making this for loop to do that. It was 8. So 0 to 7 is gonna be 8. I plus plus. Let's see. What should I do here? No, never mind. I'll just print this out. Give me a number I. Right, and then can't use 2D's array. Here. How did the book have it formatted? You know what? No, I'm not gonna look at the book. I'll just be a man. Okay, I moved this down here. Oh, what the heck was that all about? Alright, for that, I'm gonna make another 4 up here. This is gonna be my rows. This is equal to 0. Or row equal to 0. And oh, hey, well, I mean, enjoy yourself at the range. I'm doing some exercises from the book, and the book is called Thinking Like a Programmer. So let's see if you can think like a programmer. And right now, I kind of advertise this to be like a co-op compete kind of situation. So I guess this is more like a single player game where I'm just trying to solve this one exercise from the book. So I gotta make this pattern using only 2 output statements, and one that outputs the actual marker and one that actually makes like a new line. So let me just get rid of that. So yeah, that's the puzzle, or the objective, or the riddle. These sounds like these puzzles or riddles or problems or exercise, whatever you want to call it, sounds like something you might see like at school, but like it's from a book. It's supposed to teach you how to think like a programmer. It uses C++, but I mean it could be used, like, that's what I'm saying, like you can pick whatever language you would like to use. Let's see. And we're just going to print that. I'm going to see what that yields. A double for loop. Delicious. O2. Or, yeah, O to n squared. Delicious n squared complexity. Yeah, I mean, if anybody, I mean, they don't have to watch me. You can quickly go on Hastebin and like give, well, not give me, but like, you know, pretty much show like you beat me at solving this puzzle before me. So, right, and I forgot to, oh wait, that's right. I have endl here, end-lined. So compete or co-op, it's up to you. Well, no, I'll do it like this. You can Hastebin on your phone? I didn't know you can do that. Do you have like the app to it or something? How many rows is it? Here. I'm trying to figure out how I can like keep this up. It's 4 rows. Yeah, thanks for thanks for letting me know, even though you were probably thinking about it, but just by reading your question right there, I've already screwed up by making 8 rows, and there's only like 4. So see if you can try to do that. Anybody else who's there can also join in if you have like an IDE, a favorite language you like to use. So let's see. Yeah, I know you were thinking about it, were you? I can read your mind. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, and that's right. It just closed off. I'm not a big fan of that. I don't know why. People can manage to like pull off a magic trick where they can just run the code and it doesn't close off the console immediately. And here I am for all these years. I'm just used to typing up what's it called? System pause. So that's like more like a Windows specific thing. So great. 0 to 0, 0 to 7, 0 to 7. There we go. Just put hash marks to make it look like it's relatable. Am I right? Awesome. So we got 4 rows. Now I got to figure out how to truncate that to be like 8 in the first row. 6. Wow, I skipped 6. Oh my gosh, I can't do basic arithmetic operation. Let's see. So it will be minus the number of row times 2, I believe. Makes sense because you're taking 1 from each side. Yeah, well, we're also going down by 2s, so 8 minus row times 2 is going to be 8. 1 times 2 is going to be 6. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Minus 8 is going to be 4. Awesome. Let's try that now. Usually I just think about like exercise. Alright, cool. So I just now had to shift it over by 0? No. Okay. How do I do this? This actually took me a while to do. So if you manage to solve this like in 5 minutes or 10, great. This might take me for like, I don't know, 30. Here, I should also put up like the objectives, so that way I don't have to like show the objective is print this 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oops. Do yep. Oop. Oop. Come on. And there we go. Print this only using, oh gosh, using 2 output statements. One for print out that and this, or whatever symbol you really want to use. You don't really have to use the sharp sign to print out end line. There we go. Let's get rid of that. So how to do this? So if it's in range, I'm thinking, so the first row we got this, or I should put this like puzzle 1. So this is the first puzzle that we encountered. So so where to print this? I can see like on each side the empty spaces increment by 1, 2. What do I have so far? I have it to where I have the right amount of sharp signs, right? So, by the way, like people who join, like, hey Nick, what's up? Wait, never mind. I thought you said hello, but hello, yellow. Yeah, good color. Again, you can co-op. This is from a book, by the way. So, like, I'm not really like being pretentious or anything whatsoever. I'm just like, I thought that would be a cool title to have as a stream. So again, you know, pick up an IDE, pick up your favorite language, and you know, let's try to solve these like textbook worthy exercises. So all right, so I already have the first row, second row, third row. They all match up. I just need to figure out how to align it so that way it goes down the middle. Right, so the first row is fine. Let's see, what can I do for the second, third, and fourth? Okay, so let's see, to eliminate that, if I is less than greater than that divided by 2. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy math expression, I imagine. Print out that. Or actually, how do I approach this? So 8, 6. I mean, this is from chapter 2. The first chapter is about like thinking, actually like using some tactics to help you like deduce, figure out like how to get to your solution. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see, we got row, got that. Let's see. Oh yeah, also, as you notice, before I forget, like, that whole HP system there, that's like a bit boss. So if you donate, like, bits, I'm gonna lose HP. And I just have it to $3 by default. They expected, like, oh yeah, donate $10 and you can put, you know, be the next bit boss. And I'm just like, oh well, I mean, it's better than the bit cup that you see. I am mousing over here. If I look carefully enough on the stream, I can mouse over that. Okay, before I lose to viewer N, I gotta, like, or I mean, if he wants to compete, that's great, because I'm kind of stuck already. 0 is greater than that false. Divided by 2. Is it divided by 2? Well, then what's the point? If it's divided by minus that, do that. Let's see what that looks like. If it's greater than minus rho is gonna be 8. Do that. No. Well, we have to be 0. I'm going to start off rho times rho plus 1, maybe. Rho plus 1 is probably going to offset the first side. Oh man, here we go. Yep, it's totally messed it up. If I is equal to that, it's probably not the right way to go. If current I, if 0 is greater than that, plus 1. Let's see. Zero, 1. I know I've done this exercise a long time ago. It's just this part. What did the book say again? Using the same rules, only 2 output statements. Yeah, just 2 output statements. Okay. Hey, what's that star next to my name? A subscriber. Oh, I didn't know it was a subscriber. I is greater than 0. If I is greater than, would it be the row, actually? If I is greater than the row, then start doing that. It's equal to the row, maybe. If that is equal to that, then I should start printing that out. Great. There's a space there, so it didn't complete that, huh? If I's greater, right. This counts how many stars there's going to be. This is going to say where the position is going to be. I is less than or equal to 8. No, yeah, equal to 8. Should be able to print out everything. No. Wow. Let's try OR. Okay, well, screw me. Well, okay, there it is. Cool. There's that. Hello. Hey! What's up? Nothing much. Just trying to show the whole world that I'm not really thinking like a programmer. So, okay. Yeah, this is coming straight from a book, so all these exercises. And I thought it would be interesting to get you guys, if you guys want to just watch or just like help me out or, compete against me, I'm pretty sure you guys will win. Seriously. Okay. I'm kind of stumped right now, so. Okay. So it's not printing out that. Oh boy, here we go. Shows 3 is equal to, and it's less than 8. I mean, I don't get it. It should be able to print something out in there. Like if I just make this as an OR, it will print out everything. Let me just make a standard. Let me put like a placeholder to see like what's going on. So X's maybe. X. To show like, hey, it's not printing anything there. Oh wow, why does it take forever? Oh my gosh, whoa. Oops, never mind. That should be an else. That's why. Just put this in. This should do the trick. Really, it's not really a trick, but you get it. You guys probably saw that before me. I was like, oh man, and I know you guys are like, come on, Andre, it's this easy or something. I'm just like, I can't. Like, I'll try. Wow, it absolutely didn't print anything out. Oh wait, that's right. I had it as an or statement. Duh. So let me change that to an and hopefully I can see the X's where. Huh. Interesting. What's up with that? So you're telling me there's spaces there? So if I were to comment this out, I should be able to see the spaces next to the sharp signs. No, I won't be able to see the sharp signs. Interesting. I'm only allowed to have 2 print statements, so I'm not sure. Okay, so how do I approach this? Okay. If it's between this and that. If it's greater than or less than. Okay, so it's greater than 0, so you take that and you divide that. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be disgusting. By 2. No, it can't be by 4. That's ridiculous. Can't be. No, 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 no. If it's greater than 8 minus the number of row it's on, so if it's in the 0th row, it's gonna be 0. It's gonna be, it should be 0 here, really. I'm gonna move this over here. I wonder if that's the same thing I just did. Well, I mean, the first condition is, but okay, cool. So I do see that. Let's see. It's gonna be plus row. No. If I is equal to 0 and that I is less than 8, then print that. That fourth row. If I is equal to 4, if I is equal to 4, 4 is less than 8, number of rows, it's not really spacing in it. Oh, I have to go back in the book. I'm just gonna take a quick peek. What did the book do? I mean, the book doesn't have answer key, but like, I can always check to see like in the example, because he kind of did it like this. Yeah, he didn't have a spacer like this. If 8 is less than the number of rows. Oh wait, this is probably where it is. 4 times 8 is 0. Or 3 times 2 is 6 plus 0. So if it's... I should move this actually over here then. Let me start off trying to get the left side to work. So if that, so if I is greater than 8 minus that, so 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 8 minus 0 is that. Then don't print. Well, we want to do that. The result of that, it's going to be 0. Or is it really? Is it really 8? How about this? Row times 2, 0 times 2 is that. Let me also put a space. Just do that. If I is greater than or equal to row that, 2 row times 2 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. I should probably also divide by 2. Oh my gosh, they should just probably cancel out. Wow, you serious? Alright, cool. Let me replace this with this. See what's going on in the fourth row. Fourth row is not even shifted. It's okay. It's okay. So we got 8 and then 5. Huh. That's really weird. And then this is supposed to be 4 and this is 2. 8, 5. Let's try that now. And that ends up being 7. This is going to be 4. This is 1. That's weird. So, do you happen to know the answer by any chance, or did somebody already finish this puzzle? And what about you, said who? 12. Viewer N, are you able to haste bin through the phone? Okay, let's see. So if I is 0, seriously, this makes me feel weird. That's kind of redundant. So I'm trying to do the left side first. Row, if I is greater than the row, so 0, 0, 1. Well, I mean, welcome to the stream. I'm doing pretty much like these puzzles that are given from the book. This isn't for school or anything. It's just like I thought it would be fun to, get people to like watch or, participate in, pick a favorite language of yours and try to see if you can solve the puzzles that are given. So the objective is to print out something like this using only 2 output statements. And yeah, like in this book here, let me see if I can just drag this over. Let me actually get to the right page before I drag it over. I was hoping that this exercise wouldn't take me this long. I know this is gonna take me like a while. I just need to figure out how to format it correctly. Oh no, that was probably a mistake on my end. Saying like pick a language. Oh god, I don't even know that language. Algol. I'm sorry, I don't know Algol. But yeah, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, C++ is like the language that the school I go to mainly uses. But if you prefer to use like Java or Python or something, whatever language you want to use, like you can use Algo. Go ahead, give it a shot. Alcohol. I don't know. Was I been saying alcohol the whole time? I don't know. I don't really know how that's pronounced. Nobody. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm really sucking here. Let me move it over so I can show you guys like. Here, actually, I'll just take a snippet. Wait, I already have a snippet. Here we go. Yeah, I'll do that. Leave it here so you guys can take a look while I get to the right page. But yeah. Maybe. I don't know. That sounds like an old language back in the 80s or 90s. Pure puzzles. Yeah, that's what it is. This is a pure puzzle. So if anybody can figure out how to do that, that would be great. And you can share it with me through Hayspin or Pastebin, whatever bin you like to use. And this is just pretty much just me trying to. Oh my gosh. Assembly. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's funny because usually I stream with my friend Jason, and we always joke around like doing stuff in assembly. And there was this one time we did like a little basic socket programming in C#, and he joked around. He's like, now we're gonna do it in assembly next time. He's like, Jason, I don't think we're ready for that. Oh my gosh, where's my okay, there it is, found it. Yeah, so here, let me take a better snippet to give you guys a little forecast of like what the first 4 assignments will look like. Or not assignments, I'm not this isn't school. We're trying to get our minds off of school, but like here. So this is what I'm working on right now. Or we all are working on, hopefully, if you guys want to like partake in this. And then we got this, and then we got this, and then we got that. I'm really hoping I don't end up having to do like one exercise for the whole stream. Making a game? Oh, nice. What kind of game is it? And are you using like Unity, or are you doing from scratch, or Unreal, Game Maker? Oh, really? Just doing stuff in assembly or making a game? Oh, and thank you for following me. I just noticed. Unity, C#, yeah. Yeah, I don't know like what to stream for C#. You have to program a robot. Oh. Wow. Robots. Wait, like what kind of robots? Or what kind of robots are we talking here? It could be any robots. Oh, wait, you make robots? What are you making? I'm just I'm not really making anything. I'm just solving this puzzle here. So if you guys happen to know the answer, great. Appreciate that. Because, you know, I don't want to get stuck and bore you guys, you know, with just this one puzzle. But, you know, I guess you kind of get to hear me. Like, yeah, I'll take a look later. Like, I have Discord and I have Nightbot. So you got all you got to do is just exclamation point Discord, and hopefully there's a link. But yeah, I'm not gonna look at it right now, but when I have the chance I will. So I want to see if I can figure this out. I did this a long time ago, and freaking no, I did it last semester, and I don't remember what was the answer to this. So it's not showing up anything in the last row. So if it's greater than 0, then that, well, what about if I do -1? Will that do it? Surprise, for some reason? No, it does not work. Oh boy. I mean, I can always take a look at like what I did in the past, but then again, that would be kind of cheating, and you know, I don't want to advocate that. Well, I mean, I guess looking up stuff on Google is also cheating too. Let's see. Yeah. No cheats. Yeah, that's right. I did this before, and this took me hours, and I don't want to do it again. Yeah, go ahead. I encourage you to do so. If you want to pull out your favorite language out, it's up to you. Pick your language. I should have mentioned like you in that hashtag or that sharp. Let's see. And if you need to see the thing, you want to do it? All right. Yeah, more the merrier. Let's do it. Yeah, here I can. You'll figure out quick. Oh wow, I'll be impressed. Like, I'm already stuck here, and according to OBS, I'm here for like 42 minutes. I'm using Lua. Okay. I'm not sure what that language is, but good. Awesome. Stick to something you're familiar with. It says I've been streaming for like 42 minutes, but I don't feel like it. And I mean, some of it is also like starting up, and like, you know, you guys like, I never existed yet, really. So, or like, you know, only print out the pyramid. Yes, I'm still on this problem. I know, viewer N. Just, yeah, I know. Yes, only print out the pyramid. So there's a space in between here. Yeah, I'll just leave this up. I just got home. Oh, okay. Here, I could probably split this up into like something. That way you guys can see what I have. I mean, the code is not going to be that long, I believe. So, and then if you guys already got the first one done, you can also take a head start at the second one and still beat me at it. But right now, I'm trying to figure out formatting the left side, the spaces here. If I can draw, yeah, right here, those kind of spaces. So if I can get that, then I'm pretty much done. So I got the first row. It's going to iterate each row with 8 things. Or is the mistake is right there? Yes, I believe that's the mistake. Doesn't matter. And then here, it should be, if row is this I, it's going to be greater than row. Let's do that. It's going to shift everything by 8. Yep. Or by the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got that. It's down by 0. Now, yeah, just it doesn't have to be global, local, you know, there's no requirement about that. So like when you see like a requirement, or if you're thinking like, oh, are we allowed to use local, global, or can we use pointers or something like that? You are you know, if it doesn't specify in the instructions, you pretty much have control of like how you want this to do it, or like you have control of like how to do it, or what do you want to do it. Yeah, so I mean, the only rules you have to worry about is pretty much 2 output statements, and one that prints out the marker, and one that prints out the end line. So yeah, I know. I mean, I am. I mean, you are allowed to bend the rules a bit to help you debug. No worry, viewer in. I'm not cheating. I'll get rid of this line when I don't need it anymore. Even though I don't think it print out the X's, right? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Cool. So we got the rows. Got that. And that, let's see, and that the I is less than the number of rows. I have to figure out how to get the other side too. So 8 minus the number of row times 2. That's a lot of X's. Let's put that equal sign there. Almost there. How many do I have there? Huh. I didn't count this. So this is 8, right? This is 6, 3. It's missing something there. Okay. Now hopefully I'm not blocking the instructions if you guys need to use that. I'll just move this down here. This didn't add. What happened there? So 8 minus the third row is 6. Oh, 8, 6, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Huh. I'll have to get the backside. Oh, wait a minute. I'm an idiot. I don't need to multiply by 2. I'll just do minus row. Oh, so close. So close. I can see it there. Oh, man. Let's see. I is greater than row. Okay, let me get rid of this. No, actually, here, I want to keep it up for reference. And probably need to get rid of the X's. So close. So close. Just one more. Just need to shave off one side more. Wait a minute, is that 8? Yeah, it's 8. So first row is 8 minus 0 is 8, yeah. 1 minus 7, that's going to be 7. It's less than 0, 7. Let's try that. Try to see if I can fix the second row. Maybe it's the equal sign because... Alright! Time! Alright, that was the answer, everybody. We figured it out. So... Well, I mean, I also have that space there. Yeah, I know, right? I'm surprised. Like, I'm just there playing around with the code. Alright. Yeah, there we go. I know. It's crazy. I thought we were going to be here for another hour. Yeah, okay, fine. You mentioned about the 3 statements there. I'll leave it there. Watch it break. I would not be surprised, actually. It did break. Great. I'm surprised. Dang it! You're in. You got me. I've been japed. I lied to myself. I thought I had it. Oh. Dang it. Alright. That's okay. Let's see if we can figure this out, okay? We got this. So, yep, that's right. Okay. Yeah, I'm not speedrunning this. This, like when I mentioned time, just like I don't have a clock on the the stream overlay or whatever. I mean, obviously you guys know that, but let's see. Well, that was a false happy ending. Thanks, viewer in. Go and see. Just gonna remember that. Let's see. 0 is row. Is it also get rid of that? No, I need that 0. Or I can pull this off and just say like if I is equal to 0. Oh no. It doesn't matter. 0. Okay, let me run it again to see the reference. Oops, I also had this up. Only 2 output statements, one that outputs the hash mark, one outputs the end of the line. Huh. Well, I mean, I can still use the third statement for debugging purposes, so then it's gonna throw me off. Never mind. Like it did last time. What was I thinking? Okay, so oops. Okay. Let me take a look at the picture here. So we got 0, the 1th, the 2th, and the 3rd index. The 3rd index, my bad. 2nd, second, 1st, 0th. Yes, the 0 requires the th sound. 0, 1, 2, 3. So if it's at that row, so let me comment this side out first, see if it shifts over on the left side. It should start. I know. Wait, is that a chain chomp? Is that a chain chomp with Mario's glove on it? Wow. Very. Wow, that's new. And where do you get that emote from? If 0 is greater than that. 0 is greater than row. So if I is 0, row 0, it should be full zeros. Right. That's what I'm trying to figure out now, because this, if I is greater than row is 0, it's gonna be spaces. I mean, you can do the whole right side. Let me see if I can do, maybe the right side is easier to do. Right side is easier. So we got the 0. It's 8. That's 8 there. 4, 7. Oh, you figure out something? What do you mean? Like, store what in a variable? Let's see. Wait a minute. 0 is 8. 1. That's 7. Divided by 1. No. You do the row with the white space. With the spaces. The string. Then C out with the line skip. Wait. Set the console window to a particular size and move the cursor position to where hashes should be written. No need to write spaces. So set the consoles. Oh, I got some errors. Whoops, I didn't finish that statement. Set the console window to a particular size. Move the cursor position to where hashes should be written. No need to write spaces. Oh. Wait, you can do that? I'm forgetting that this is a thing. I don't really need this else. What am I doing? Let me see. Oh, wow. I only made one hash because Huh. Well, I'm pretty sure we can figure this out though. Strings. You can do rows with white spaces in a string and then cut C out with the line skip. Okay, the first thing that came to mind was like, oh, did you just write out the answers in the string? Probably not. I'm not sure. I never really did the whole fancy, like, have the console window to be a certain size and then place my mouse on it. Dang it. Keep forgetting about that. Let's just say row. This should do it, though. Oh, that. The the triple quotation thing, like in Python? Oh, that looks like single quotes, my bad. I'm not familiar with that. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, I don't know about that. Row plus 1, maybe? That's not what I wanted. How about equal row? It should be, if I is equal to that, 0, and that's less than 8. So 0, 0, 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 0. I is also less than 8. So the first row should be fine. I'm pretty sure we can do this in like in one if statement. It's not giving me the space though. Yeah, I'm trying to think about the row variable is going to help me. Like, I can definitely get the right side with the row. The right side seems easy, but the left side is like throwing me off because like, oh wait a minute, shouldn't I just make this harder to? Does that make sense? Yeah. Nope. Okay, so never gonna get that space on the left side. You did it with recursion. Wait, so you already did this? Oh, and you already have a solution. All right. No CJ is the winner. All right. Well, I mean, if he's competing with everybody here, then he's the winner. It's oh. Are you sure? Beat you by 2 misses. Oh right. Ooh, frick. Ooh. Ooh. You sure it's an OR gate? 0 is less higher than that. Or no, it can't be OR gate because it's always going to be greater than the row. You know what? Okay, so it's easy to get the right side, but let me focus to see if I can get the row, the hashes to be greater than the row. Because it only, okay, first of all, there's no gap here, so this should be 0. And it should definitely increment on that. And then the next row is going to be on the first spot. And that's all right. First row is going to be in the first index, so 0, 1. So down here, row will be 1. I is going to be 0. It should not print. Should not print. Actually, I guess this is the part where I actually do have to do this. Okay. So it's not. This is going to be strange. I'm just mixing around with the logic here. Flipping it around. Flippy. Okay, yeah, that's really messed up. Whoa. No. I don't know. Pass? No, there's no such thing. Oh, come on. So, viewer N, you just gotta finish. Can you please, would you like to share with the class what kind of notes you're passing around? Why do I still have that up? I am impressed. It's been an hour and still on the first exercise. I knew this is gonna happen. Oh man. Well, that's okay. We're all working together. Am I right? Right? Okay. So we're just focusing on getting left side. What? I forgot. I wasn't paying attention to that last call. Okay. You got it? Everybody's getting it. Oh man, I'm missing out. Oh, yeah, viewer N is in the club. Oh, I can't be part of the I got it club until I get this, done. You guys are drinking your nice fruity smoothie. Here I am, just use a few variables. Well, I mean, that's allowed. There's no rules for that. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you don't see a rule about variables or anything, you can use it. Pointers, whatever, functions. I'm just trying to figure out the left side. I only have 2 loops. Yeah. Gotta have that delicious n squared, complexity. 2 loop statements. Normie. Okay. You're trying to make it 2 lines. My gosh, jeez. That's a challenge there. I'm only allowed to print out I don't know, it's just in the rules. Hey, I need 2 output statements. One is for the marker, one is for the end of the line. So I can't really do much. I can't really do much with the print statements, but let me get rid of this. This is now confusing me. Oh my gosh. You guys are so smart. I told you, like, I'm streaming this so I can show the world that I can't think like a programmer. The right side is okay. But wait a minute, I didn't work on the right side. I had it working. But viewer ended pointing out freaking I had a third C out, so I was cheating, unfortunately. Let's see, 8, 7. All right, I gotta get rid of this side too. If it's greater than that, why don't you just print? Oh boy. This is gonna be difficult. It's gonna start from the left side. Duh. Because why? How can I work on the left side? It's gonna go through this 8 times. It's not like a 2D array, so. Ooh. I think I know what's going on. So it's just, it loops through 8 times, 8 in markers, and it's just counting up. It's not really gonna, yeah, that's what I was thinking. That was my mistake. I was thinking of it like a 2D. I mean, if it does print out like the pattern and you're using 2 outputs, then you're good. And you can also use Haspin or Pastebin to quickly send me your code. I can just like click on it. Oh, okay. Concatenate string. Wait. What was I doing? I don't remember what I did last time. Or how I got it to work. I got a really bad memory, but here. Let me see if I remember. Yeah, let's stop that. Alright. Yeah, let me take a quick look here too. Alright, we're going to share. Look, everybody in class, find me stream. This is what he shares. Oh wow, okay, I got it to work. Let me just get rid of the X's, make it spaces so it looks more prettier. Alright, let's see what you did. You got 8, space, string. Oh. Okay, so this is your for loop. This is your second for loop. #2 string, and then you concatenate it, and then at the end you print that space. Oh. Okay. How will I translate this into C++? Let's see, you got to print. Okay, so wait, do you have any like ways to check to see if it's between a row or something? Okay, well, I guess I had to import string. Let's see. No, probably need to do it here. Let me put this back. There we go. Well done, though. Frick. I'm working. Still working on this. Jeez. A second. So I gotta make sure I go in higher scope too. So string std string row, and what this is gonna do is gonna, is there append? Oh no, that's not good. String, what is string? Yeah, I believe so. Let me. How do I initialize a string again? Row declared in for loop may not be redeclared in the scope. Let me do a quick search on how to do strings in C++ again. How do I do this again? Wow. Yeah, I guess I've been too busy. Or I'm actually, no. I'm at the point in school where, you know, I'm a senior, so I'm taking like all my game design classes, and we're not using C++, we're using Unity C#, so. You know what? Okay, there it is. It's 8. It should be 8. What's going on? I am importing string correctly, right? Or, I mean, I should. This is embarrassing. You know, I can just make this a char. Never mind. Char. Well, let's do it. Row 8. Oh, come on. What's up? Why are you barking? Oh, duh, I'm an idiot. I have it as I already called as a row. Line? Is that okay? I'm gonna call this line. Yeah, I already have row as an integer, so I can't use that again. What is supposed to be a modified value? Let's say this I is that. It's gonna be equal to that. This needs to be single quotes to match up with the data type. There we go. Do this. And then at the end, you had it to be where you print out the string. And then I guess I can make the line too. No, I'll leave it like that. Should be fine, right? Probably not, because it's... Ooh, that's a weird artifact. Ooh, some symbols. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's see. I think I'll put it. Yeah, I did manage to do this without using a string. I just don't remember. Or actually, did I even do that right? Okay, now this is actually like a 50-50 chance where I have to go back at my old code to see if I did this, if I did it correctly or not, with the risk of actually exposing what the answer was. So, well, should I do it? Should I go back and check my answer, or I mean like my old answer to this exercise? It's been something. It's been a ride. I mean, I know it's not noble, but like, what do you think? I don't remember if I didn't use a string. I know it can be done arithmetically. I'm just trying to remember how it's done. Like, was it? Did I just shift everything? Did I shift everything? It's gonna be 8. If it's 8, like that, do that. How did I do it? I probably accidentally put a space. I'm gonna risk it. I probably did made a mistake in the past when I first did this. I mean, that was the only exercise I even did, so I'm not gonna expose like, yeah, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I know, I tried. If you include a string though. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that was the problem that I did before. I I had row to be the same thing. Like I had it like this. I had row here, or none, doesn't matter really, but like the fact that this conflicts with, you know, this, that was the error, so I should go back and do that. But let me take a quick look from the thing. What's the rule from earlier? There was this is pretty much the rule that we've been focusing on. We didn't really change it or anything. What I did on accident is like I had a third output statement and I thought I had it, but I didn't. You know what? I probably did do it wrong, and I'm going to find out about that, actually. And if I didn't, well, I mean, I made a mistake. And we get to see, like, you know, how one can do it. Exposed. Yep, cover your eyes. Quick. Cover your eyes. Here, let me keep this up. I probably did use the same. Yep, that was it. I made a mistake. Yep, this is not the answer. No worries. We're all good here. We're all clean. And hey, I have the right logic too. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So I guess I had to have to put it in a string and then like make one string and then. Okay. So let me put that back. The include string, and then let's see here. Line 8. Yeah. Line's gonna be actually a string. Do that. That shouldn't bark at me. Good. I don't need this. That's redundant. Is that C equal to that? Don't need this. Or should I? No, I don't actually. I can leave that empty, right? Did it again. Wow, geez, viewer N, you're on a roll here. Oh man. And then see out that line, then see out the next statement, and then redefine that variable, which should clear it. Paste bin to me. Oh gosh. Oh right, I didn't freaking loop the list. For int I and 0. Oh, my bad. This is gonna be less than 8. And then, remember we're dealing with 8. So there's a reason why I'm hard coding these numbers. Add line that, and do that. Cannot end line there. See how it goes. Ooh, okay. You're making an array of strings. Am I? Is that valid? Oh, is that why I had like the... Oh, gosh, this is a substring. No. That should be how I fix the size, or make the size of the string. Oh wait, this is a char. What? Why? Okay. If it's not, then, you know, I don't know why I haven't done this. Is equal to that. That way we have that space. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, time. OBS is 1 hour and 19 minutes. I'm a loser. Wow. Wow. Finally. Dang. That was... Okay, so even the past self, or the past answer that I wrote, was not the right way of solving the problem, but hey, we did it. And good job. Thank you, Cheka. Thank you, Find Me Stream and VRN. There we go. Wait. Okay, so. Okay, I thought for a second, Find Me Stream, I think you were talking about 3. Like, I had 3 output things. I'm like, no! I didn't mean to. Okay, awesome. All right, so you ready for the second one? And this is gonna be down here. This is probably gonna be a long night. Oh man, it's probably gonna make up the time or something, like I haven't streamed. I don't know. Okay. All right. Or how about this one? All right. So I'm gonna do this now. All right, cool. Awesome. Okay. So what I see here is probably an absolute. Yeah. I mean, VRN beat me so hard that he made 2 versions of this, you know, of the solution. That's how hard he beat me. Okay. Awesome. All right, so yeah, this is the second pattern. I don't this looks different. Or actually there's a few other like probably quicker ones to solve here. If you want to not want to do patterns, okay, it's up to you guys. Do you want to continue doing patterns, or here, let me do another snippet. Yeah. It's been a while that I can't believe I have to say that. Like, it's been a while that I did C++ programming because mainly I'm only doing game design classes, and that's the only like programming related class, and we're using, you know, Unity C#, so it's like I'm used to Unity's, you know, C# as opposed to C++. So only 2 print statements. Oh, here, let me scroll it back up here if you guys want to take a look. I'm just gonna, so 2 output statements. Oh, I mean, you can do it like 4 loops if you want. This comes with a job system. Oh, the Unity Connect thing you talking about, Cheka? Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, so you guys want to do another pattern, or do you guys want to like see if you guys want to do let's see. It's up to you guys here. There's one. Yeah, I mean, if you want to do another pattern, one more pattern, maybe you want to do this, or you want to do this whole thing. So let's see if we can figure that out. Sticking with the string, because that looks nice. Let's see what I can do here. If row is equal to, no more pattern? Okay. How do I split this up? Okay, here's the deal. Yeah, I guess we can alternate, like one pattern, then another, then go back to another pattern. I don't know. Well, let's see how it goes. Because this chapter pretty much has like the interesting programs. So here, let's see. Let me make this. This is the non-pattern set, and this is pretty much the last. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty. There's only like 9 exercises, but here, let me move this all the way move this all into a function. Actually, let me test it first. So void exercise 1. And I'm gonna move this. Can you not like save your program or something if you were in, or like, let's see. And then I'm just gonna call this EX1, like the Pokemon cards, EX. Yeah, I know, right? The binary one looks definitely interesting. Converting any number into a binary. Yeah, come on, let's do the binary thing. All right, so I guess I don't need this anymore because I have the snippet here on the right side. Oh, come on. Oh, oops, didn't mean to do that. Let me just move this here. Can I please use Windows 10? Oh, come on. There we go, much better. Exercise 1. Awesome. You're tempted to do binary one. Then again, in JavaScript, it's really easy. It's stupid easy. Yeah, binary seems good. All right, we got a thumbs up. Awesome. Yep, we got Jesus emote. Bless RNG. Is that a only uses you? Yes. Okay, so this works. So I'm going to expand this a bit and move this function into the header file. That way I can sort my code in the main. Awesome. Okay, so binary. Puzzle 2. Puzzle number 2. Binary converter. Okay. Try writing programs to do those conversions with unlimited numbers. You can assume the numbers are small enough to be stored in a standard C++ int. Answer a decimal number to string too. Oh wow. Gives you PTSD. Oh, because of the what would you I'm guessing you did some socket programming, so you gotta like convert that to like bytes and like I don't know, C#. I don't know. It was like an assignment I had to do like in the beginning of this semester, and I was like, huh, so you just convert this message into zeros and ones, and then you just send it through the wire to the other end, to the client or the server or whatever you want to send it to, really. But let's see, main. So I guess we got to take the user's input, so we're definitely going to get that. So it's going to be int packet tracer. Is it something like Wireshark or I don't know. That hell of a program. Okay, that sounds really bad. I'll avoid that. I'll avoid that line of questioning. Oh no, Wireshark. Oh, you're not a big fan of Wireshark? I don't know what other alternate programs are there. Well, I mean, okay, so I do have Wireshark, but like there was like an extension that helped me like see like the communication that was going on between like me and the server and the local host, really. So I'm just seeing if this stuff is being sent, correctly or something. And there was like some stupid mistakes where it's just like, oh, I just did it and like print it out on the client's end, and it's like, oh, so it's been sending over to the client. It's just like I haven't really done anything with that, that new message that I just received. I didn't even print it out to see if I got it. So it was a bad time. Viewer run was there, we spent like overnight working on that. Standard C++, C out, pick a number. It was a birthday stream too, so I was just like, happy birthday to me, and then it's like, oh, we get to stream for like 9 hours straight. What a way to do, or what a way to go. Okay, number, I should just call it number, right? Number, and then I'm just trying to remember. I think I did this back in like intro to programming, doing the whole binary converter. If not, somewhere around that. Probably in like programming 1. I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. Gotta make a while, I guess. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe no. You know what? Yeah, maybe. If number is if number is less than 2 or 1, is it? Wow, I don't remember. I don't remember how to do this program. Great. Just beautiful. Right when we got out from doing a pattern that was so difficult to do, or it was easy in the end, surprisingly, because the string helped me a lot. Even the solution I made back then was wrong. That's what I was surprised about. Number is equal to less than 1. Should it be less than 0? No, I should just probably have a flag. Let me just do while true for now. So no, actually, if number is equal to 0. So if, no, should it be just modulus 2? Then have that number divide up by 2. Will that do it? Oh, that's not good. Ooh. Ooh. I am going in the right direction. I am going in the right direction. Let's see what's going on here. Why am I... What's another error? Oh, it's just 1. String, it's not compatible. Okay, where do you see that? Okay then, I did not say to look into that, but... Oh, I know why. Okay. No, really. Another error, or same error. See out line. It worked before. Whoa. Function diamond. Oh, so you've been doing the diamond one? Space. Oh. So you have it. Oh, wow. Okay, I think I see what you did. Lol. Great. Nice. Very nice. Even though you're supposed to have one print statement to do the end line. It seems like you only did the space. Great. That was funny. Let's see. What's going on here? It didn't say you can do that. Is it using namespace or something? Like, what's the deal? Ah, string 2. I need to move that over too. That way it knows it's a string or something. There we go. Yeah, that was it. Pick a number. I don't know, 34? Press any key to continue. That was quick. While that is equal to 4. That's not true. Oh, while is not equal to that. Great. I should probably have it this, just to make sure that it does break out. What's going on? Oh, right. And then have number here. There we go. Okay, so let's say 30. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that either. Endel. Let's do another 30. 30, 15, 7, 3, 1, compressed key, continue. Good. So if I were to do that, then is this then? Would that be it? Let's try something simple like 8. 0, 1, 1. Oh, I have it backwards. Okay, so I guess I should make it like if number 2 is equal to 0, then what should actually print out is 1. Else, if it's not, then that should be 0. And then you start dividing that number. So if I were to do 8, it should go backwards like it did before. 8. No, it did not. It went crazy. So that equals to 0. It should be 1. I just literally inverted the bits. Hmm. 8 minus 2 would be 0. Then it should be 1. Divide by 2. Then I guess 4 minus 2 would be 0. It could be 1. Yeah, I guess that's the problem. Modulo arithmetic, I guess. But then it's going to run like twice, I believe. I don't remember. Let's see, pick a number. Let's go with 8 again. 1. Yeah, didn't. That's not good. What is it? I forgot. If number. Do any of you guys happen to know to do this? I'm not looking this up because this sounds really easy. This number is modulus 2 is equal to 0. Then it should be 1. Or if it's 1, divide by 2. Stack Overflow. I mean, I would like to do this without, looking up. It'll be great. Get me thinking like a programmer, This is what the whole book is about. And I can post this book after the stream or something. Like, if you guys are interested in reading the book or something. Number divided by 2. That wouldn't make sense. I had it working. Let me go back a step. So number that. Should I just flip it bits or something? Oh boy. Let's see. Let's pick 1. 1. Yeah. Google everything. Stack Overflow everything. Unity what is it? It's Unity Overflow, I guess. I don't remember what they call it. It's just a forum, I guess. Let's say 8. So 0001. I guess I can just flip the bits, right? And it's just like not that. Number divisible by 2, it's gonna be 0, flip it, flip it. So can I just say not? Okay, no, I did the same mistake. Actually, yeah, number divisible by 2. My gosh, I know this is like, it's not that hard of a program, I think, if I remember correctly. I mean, I did look this up one time, like long time ago. Divided by 2, checks it. Number divisible by 2. Okay. Let me take a look at the output again. Pick a number. Again, 8. 8. Awesome. It's backwards. I know that. Let me get rid of that that annoying space right there. Or there is no space, so that's what I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna put a space. Pick a number. 8 again. 8 is my favorite number. Okay. I got it backwards, I know that. So let me try with a different number again, actually, to make sure I'm not tricking myself. I don't know, 10? Okay, so yes, it is backwards. I just need to figure out how to flip it. Flipping the bits around, or pretty much rotating. I'm rotating. That's what I need to do. Okay, does anybody already figured out how to do this? Can someone help me out, please? Standard number divisible by 2. Got that. I remember there's this one homework assignment. It was like in Java. And the teacher's like, okay, homework assignment is to determine whether this number is a float or an integer. And me not knowing Java, I was like, can't you just like modulus 0.1? And if it's like 0, then, or no, modulus 1, and if it's not 0, then it's float. But it's equal to 0. That's 1. That's not how it works, though. I have to rearrange it. Maybe. have like a counter. And then have that equal to 0. And then counter plus plus. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And then have no, this should be another string problem, isn't it? Bits. I don't know how long it's gonna be, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Actually, I'm gonna leave it like 100. No, 32-bit. No, we'll leave it at 10 actually, just to be fair. Okay, that's it. Thinking like a programmer. I'm gonna look up on Google. I'm stumped. Binary converter. And then I'll, oh my gosh. Whoa, this is complicated. Thanks, Stack Overflow. Let's bring this over. This guy did in like 3 lines of code. Does it really work like that? I got the while part. I'm going to actually copy. Let's see if this actually works. This proves that I can't think like a programmer. Oh, poor me. Wait, I did have the if statement correctly. Okay. So if or if I did it differently, or I was off by like 1, then wow, amazing. If it's true, then have R to equal 0. Else well, I know. Wait, what am I doing? R, it's freaking bits. I know. I did this a long time ago. I didn't remember. And it was fascinating when I first saw this. I was like, whoa. But what happened here? Must be modifiable. And then I know. I was on the right track, surprisingly. Like, I guess I didn't have that bad of a memory, I guess. Number. Let's try it now. So if I put in 8. I didn't get anything. Great. There was literally nothing there. Oh, duh, because I didn't print out the string. So for I and int I 0, and then I is going to be less than the size of the bits divided by bits, the first element. Why are you barking at me? What? You can do that. Why are you barking at me like that? Wait, it's probably some pre-built. Why am I not using pre-built, like, bind size of array in C++? What is the built-in function? Without using size of. Oh my gosh. Why? Oh, it's 2, it's not combined. Duh. Do this. Divided by the size of the element. And then you print out the bits. So cut. Oh my gosh. Standard cut. Oops. Didn't want to do that. And bits. So did anybody else did this exercise, or is this like a single player? Putting myself in the spotlight, showing the whole world that I can't program. Oh, what? This is new. This should be in the beginning, right? It's going to be the size of the array. While this is greater than or equal to 0, we want to decrement. We want to go backwards. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oops. Okay, so maybe I am having problems right now. Bits. What's up? Why are you barking at me? Huh. So I guess strings is pretty much the theme of the solutions here. It's just like, yep, you most likely will end up having to use strings. It's like, oh, great, thanks. But yeah, well, that's okay. I mean, as you witness, like, I'm still slow, or I'm slow. Let's see, bits 0 plus that is 1. Number is that. Okay, that's all fine, but okay. Let me. I guess first of all, I should figure out if I can get the size. And size of the string is size of bits divided by size of bits in the first element. And let's just see out the size. Oops. $28. There's the problem. Why is the size 28? It shouldn't be that big. It's only like 4 bits. 4 bits just to make 8, not 28. That's strange. Wow, are you serious? I can just do that. This is the size of the pointer dereference. It's going to be size of dereferencing the address of the array, so it's going to be bits. And it's going to be +1. So this is how you do it without using the size of operator. Man, you really like recursion. Dude, my teacher will love you for doing recursion, even though it's done in C. I don't think you would like C, right? How is this legal? How's that a legal move? Int bits. Wait, what? Int array. Oh, duh. Okay, never mind. This is not the right resource. Is there not a built-in thing? Size arrays. That's strange. Should really work with the size of bits. Should be able to get back, I don't know, say 8. 28. I don't know where that 28 is coming from. You hate loops? That's good. Just as long as you don't, like, you use recursion for Fibonacci, then you're good. Or some other program similar to that, like where recursion really destroys the complexity of the program or whatever. Okay. Let's figure out the size of the array. I need to find the size of a string. Size of string. Wait, yeah, why did I do that? Why did I say array? Oh my gosh, no wonder. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the reason why I can't program. This could be done like 10 minutes ago, but oh my gosh. Freaking bits, not length. Freaking, I had to look up like C++ form for this. 8, 4. Thank you. There it is. All right. So now let's do this. Int I is equal to, I want to go backwards because that's what it's doing. So starting from backwards, so it should say 1 in the beginning. I is still greater than, less than, equal to, or greater than equal to 0. I plus plus, I mean minus minus. And I'm just going to say C out bits I, and then we should be happy with this program. I command you to be right. There we go, much better. And there's a little space there, I'm not sure why. Yeah, unless you have it like, you know, triple, quadruple for loop. That would be like intense. But then again, with recursion, you can pull off like, I don't know, like a log n complexity or something like that. I don't know. I forgot which one is like the fastest. I think log n is like one of the good ones. Okay, so got that to work. I'm not sure why. Oh wait, that's right, because there's a null string at the end, or a null thing at the end of every string to let the computer know like this is the end. So pick a number. I'm gonna pick a number, guys. Actually, you guys pick a number. Oh my gosh, alright. Here. I need to, oh wow, thanks guys. Here. I'm gonna copy Omer C's first. If I can copy and paste it into the console. Yes, I can. Awesome. Holy frick. That's a lot of numbers. I don't even know that's true. Actually, here, I can do a quick binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Here we go. It's probably gonna destroy the program. I'm gonna copy and paste this. That's your binary number. Convert. But yeah, it's probably some overflow. Alright, next viewer ends number. Let's restart that. 3.14. Oh no, it can't do decimals. Ah. Oh, that's another ugly number. Wow. Is this like an overflow thing or what? Yeah, it seems like it. Long int. Long unsigned int. Here, I'm gonna try one more CD's number again. Yeah, okay. Just looks garbage still. Even like when I cap the normal maximum number, it just seems like it doesn't work. So let me do another reasonable thing. Another reasonable number. Let's say 64, right? That's it. Cool. And then I don't know, 127. Get almost all the ones. 128. 129. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. That looks right. Great. Got that done. Now we can check that off of our list, even though I kind of cheated. I feel bad, but okay. So we did this. Convert decimal to binary and the reverse. Oh, I guess this is our next step. Do the reverse. Or maybe a pattern. It's up to you guys. You want to do a pattern or want to do a reverse version? Or whatever, really. Yeah, let me bring out the book. Show you guys. Pretty much. Well, okay, the other two is the diamond and the X. Okay, sounds hard. Maybe. Maybe. We'd probably use a string or something and just store the okay, you want, so we're going to do the decimal to binary? It's up to you guys. So, are we good with the reversion, reverting from binary to decimal? I think we can do that. So we're going to do pretty much this portion. How to convert in the reverse. That's pretty much two words. Binary converter. That's a binary to decimal. All right, who's ready for this? We're going to do some binary to decimal. Let me save this to another function. I'm going to call this void decimal to binary. Take that, put it in there. Put it there. Go in here. There we go. Alright. Binary to decimal. Let's do this. So, alright. Let's see. What we need is a binary, right? So we're going to take in I'm going to start off with string actually. Bits. And then it's like, then you ask the person like, what do you want? What kind of bits? It's like, I don't know. I enter some bits. And let's do some cin. Gonna go into the bits. And then let's see. Then we're gonna cycle through the size t and 0. It's backwards too, so I gotta do from bits. Ooh, what was that? To greater than equal to 0. Y. Oh yeah, I didn't say dot length. Do minus minus because it's not plus plus. Bits. Need the s. If bits dot I is equal to 1, then pretty much say like, hey, just let me know there's a 1. This is a 1. There is a 1. Or just say 1. It's gonna get annoying. What happened here? Const chart that. Bits. The C string. Maybe. That wouldn't make sense. If that is equal to that, what happened? Okay, that makes sense. No, I didn't want to. What? Did I mess up? Of course I messed up. Oh, this is a function. Yeah. So like let's enter some bits. 1. Okay, there is 1. A bit array. You can calculate the power of a bit for this index plus 1. Yeah. Okay, I probably don't understand that. I mean, the way I see it is like you can always do like 10 to the power of whatever that index is, and then you just add it from there. So you just do like 1. Okay, maybe I should probably do the number, actual number. It's gonna be int number. It's equal to 0, and then it's like number is equal to this number times 2 to the power. Oh no, power of. I don't like to use that operator. Why did I actually use x? Must be a pointer. What the heck? Oh, okay. There's probably like some kind of Standard exponent, maybe? Is that exp? Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate the thought, but I mean, it's okay. You can help me. I mean, don't be. I mean, I'm not trying to make you guys quiet. I mean, you know, scream through the chat room if you want to. Just like, Andre, you idiot. You know, why do you do it this way? I'll be like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, it's POW. Okay. Really don't like to use this. And it's in the math library. Okay. We already are. Okay. POW. Oh, that's stupid. Didn't really expect to include. I'm pretty sure there is a way to get around this, I bet. Number. It's gonna be numbers. It's gonna be plus. What am I doing? Plus. POW. To the power of 2 and I. And parentheses. I don't know why I have a double parentheses there. And I'm going to call this number. So we're going to see like how it progresses each iteration. So I'm just going to do 8 because apparently 8 is my favorite number. I don't know why. 1. Beautiful. Beautiful. Base 4. 4 is greater than 0. 4. I mean 4 down here. Go down here. If it's equal to 1, do that. It's 4. 2 to the power 4 is what? That doesn't make sense. Bit length. Number. I did. I entered some bits. If it's equal to 1, then take the old number and add power to it. Oh my gosh. Do I need freaking standard or something? Speaking of it, since it's P, what am I doing? P per power double float. Are they just floats? Am I doing it wrong? Can I not use integers? I was gonna hope not. Enter some bits. 1. Great. I'm glad that. Wait a minute. I'm starting from the end. That's why. So if I do 8, that's why. So if I start from 0, we're going to go in the positive direction. Feel positive. So is that what you guys were yelling about internally? Like just me like, oh, you have it backwards, Andre. You have it. You have it, Andre. And this is a function. And I can not make this as a float. Don't have to remind me of Unity. And then if I do normally 1, why is it 1? Bits is equal to 0. 0 is what that. Oh, right. Oh man, that's tricky. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I'll take this, put it here, subtract it by number of I. Let's do that. Oops, didn't mean to do that. It shouldn't be 8. That should be 4. That's 16. Why? Why you totally skipped 1, 0, 2? That's a 4. Why? Oh, right. Again, the null thing. So 1, -1. So if I were to do 1, 0, 0, it didn't print out anything. 0, da da da. Bits length -1. Should be 3. That's valid. What's up? It didn't even print out anything. It's just saying all of them are zeros? That's impossible. No, I don't leave it there. But it's gonna be 5, so yeah. I could just do it in here too. There we go, 8. And then time, by the way, time. 0.1, 0. That's 210. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. It starts there. 810. Okay. And then give me another number. Let's say 1, 0, 0, 0. So 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. So I want 256. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 128. Did I just... Oh, you finished the pyramid program. Oh boy. Should take a look at that. With any size pyramid. Whoa. So like so in other words, you can scale it then, right? That's pretty impressive. Wow. I mean, I'm glad you guys are, working on the exercise that I haven't, taken yet, but like, I'll try it like off stream or something. So this is pretty much part of the book where I find like, is programming agnostic or whatever, programming language independent, because like the other parts is like, can you deal with, fixing with classes and pointers and stuff like that. I'm just like, not all languages will have a pointer, not all languages will, will have a class, but yeah, so 128. Let me double check. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. It is 128. Yeah. Oh, okay, so we're in a different time zone then. Oh yeah, alright, well, see ya. I mean, I'm about to end the stream anyway. Three puzzles seems right, and I gotta get to class in like less than 8 hours, or well, I mean, I need my 8 hours or whatever. I got class in the morning anyway, but I'm glad that we got together and worked together as a team and or like single player, but hope you guys have fun. We work together. You got Discord, punctuation Discord, and on Thursday we might do some Unity, because I feel like I want to make a trash game for for a streamer, Vine Sauce. So let's see if we can probably make a trashy game for Vine Sauce, and then we can be like, hey, yeah, that's the game that we stitched together with like that one stream, or probably this is gonna be like multiple streams across, or I don't know. It's gonna take more than one stream. I'll tell you that. But it'll be pretty interesting, because it's like if we do manage to get the streamer to play this trashy game, then We can be like, hey, look, it's us, or like, yay, he's doing it. Yeah, but yeah, I still want to see that pyramid. Still want to see the pyramid. I'm not leaving you behind. But yeah, let's do some. Let's get ready for some trash on Thursday. Yes, trash, and maybe tomorrow I might do a bonus stream for like Mario Sunshine, because I kind of want to. Okay, yeah, here. Before I do sign off, if you post a code on Hayspin or in Discord, I'll do like a little demonstration, like, hey, sharing with the class, look what Said Who 12 did. Oh man, I can't wait to see some garbage on Discord. All right, yeah. And again, if you guys want the book, I can post it. It's in Discord. Okay, yeah. Here, let me take a look. Oh wow. Okay, so here. I guess I can do it here. So everybody on Discord, say hi. Welcome to the family. So you got your standard input output string. Okay, yeah. This is really short. Okay, so N8 char memset. What's the memset? Yeah, there's viewer N saying hello. Well, not really one line. I mean, it's really, yeah. I can't really read. Okay, I'm reading this very slowly. So you got your char. You got your that memset. Wow. I mean, well done. Well done. Okay, so everybody who's looking this ahead in the future, or on YouTube or whatever. Yep, everybody say hi. I'll minimize. This is what you can do with one line of code. Well, I mean, if this expands out more, then you could probably get that to be like actual one line. I mean, I know there's that little space in between here, but memset, puts. This is all done in C. So memset, I don't know what memset is. Strange, but awesome. Oh, great, Nick, you freaking dealt 78 damage to me. Oh man. Now if Nick only, oh well, actually it's not just Nick. Anybody, like, I got this boss thing thanks to Jason, who showed me, like, anybody still try to compile and run it? Sure, yeah. Here, let me do that then. Did I close out of Visual Studios? That's no problem here. I'm just like, I don't know, Visual Studio, and then yeah, there goes Nick, who's already weakening me. No, we don't have sub alerts, unfortunately, but yeah, I know. Still working on the whole like sub thing, because we haven't got an emote yet. I'm still asking Pedro to see if he wants to use his face as an emote. Oh man, because it's his dream. It's his dream to be an emote and spread his face around Twitch through emote. But if not, then I can ask you guys, like, hey guys, what do you want as an emote? And then, like, it's like, okay, we can go with that. A Pedro bear. Yes, that's going to be like the command to do it. A Pedro bear. I really imagine him to have like a Kappa face, but it's just his face, and it's just like, yeah, that's him. So let me just rename this to binary to decimal. This is gonna be void. And I'm just gonna take this, copy and paste it. Oh no, I don't have anything with the sub stuff yet, Nick. Eventually we'll figure out about that stuff. When I mean eventually, I mean shortly. Jason's planning to join me on the stream on Thursday. So yeah, all right, everybody, freaking like get excited about, you know. Let's get ready for Jason on Thursday because we're gonna make trash games together. So binary decimal. Oh, well, I mean, you got the answer right there. You can always look back in the stream once it's done. You can look in the, what is it, video on demand or whatever, VOD, or I don't know what it's called, like, where you can rewatch the past streams that I have on the account. But man, laziness. All right, man. Right here, let me copy paste before I forget. That way we can share with class. All right, beautiful. Here, let me actually make this not one line because I want to actually be able to read this. There's your for loop. Still don't know what a mem set is. I should know this. N is defined, so why are you barking at me? All right, cool. And then what's up with the N? Let's have a constant value. There we go. It must have a constant value, so I just put the word const next to it. Let's take a look. Oh, whoa. Oops, I forgot to do the system.pause. Or not dot pause. Come on. Can I spell pause too? Thank you. I appreciate hands to do that. I got the bottom half of the pyramid. Yeah, we're going to use Unity and we're going to make some trash games. Write it is just to write an amount of same byte to a buffer. Okay. So I only managed to get half the pyramid. Was that intended or? Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this game with Jason. I mean, who knows? And then we're probably gonna be a troll and just like post it on Steam to help and just be like, yep, helping the indie apocalypse or something. I don't know. I'm just like, do you want to be chased by Shia LaBeouf? Do you want to be inside this club? Do you want to collect trash, which is the plot of the game? Then come buy this game or whatever. I don't know. You want both pyramids? Oh no, I mean, that's all right if you got this. Yeah, it's Nintendo. Okay, yeah, that's. I thought you meant like you actually have the like. Yeah, it's the first pyramid. Okay, yeah, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, here again, if you want the book, I can just like post it. Or if you just want the screenshots, that's fine. If this pretty much just one chapter's exercise. I can post that up if you guys want it. But yeah, awesome. Good job. It's pretty interesting how you used the mem set because I was like, whoa, what is that? And it looks so familiar. And, you know, awesome. Good. We did it. We made pyramids. This is what we got out from this stream. We made pyramids and we were able to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So, oh yeah, true. Yeah, cool, awesome. Okay, yeah. You think corruptions are pretty funny? Okay. Oh wow, I'm missing out on a game dev conversation. Dang it. All right, folks. thank you for coming by. Thank you, Nick, for weakening me in the Bit Boss stream, or that little top right thing. Now I only have 222 HP. Freaking yes, that's how it works. Corruptions. All right, so you know what? Since you did donate bits, and I thank you for that. Did you see it fly by? Anything that fly by over the cup by any chance? Nothing? If it didn't work, then I probably need to like do something about that. Yeah, I'm really missing out here. I gotta check that out. Where are you guys? I lost you guys. Okay, never mind. I didn't see the animation. Okay, so that's a problem. But the boss thing worked. Okay, so I don't have to worry too much about that. But the animation, okay, I need to fix that then. All right. So tomorrow I might do some Mario Sunshine, and then Thursday we're going to do that trash game. In other words, we're going to do things like, oh man, that's a smart game design. It's like, no, do the opposite. So, alrighty then. Hope you guys have a good night. May see you guys. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Well, I mean, it's already been past midnight on my end, but it's already midnight. Or, yeah, it's past midnight, so I'll see you later today, in my perspective, in my time zone. So, yeah. Hope you guys, have a good night. See you guys tomorrow. And definitely see you guys on Thursday with Jason, unless, I get sick or something. But, oh well. Okay. This is my 17th time I'm saying this, but have a good night. All right. And see you later.